ERP application management. Important steps in mitigating risk. In ERP application management implementation projects, reducing risk helps ensure success. Basically, risk describes the countless potential failure points that exist throughout an ERP project. Risks surface from problems in technology, staff, nature, and more. For example, an untested piece of equipment can fail or a hurricane can hit the weekend the project goes live. Considering all the points of failure in ERP application management projects can be overwhelming. However, project managers can break down risk avoidance into 5 steps. Following these steps can make implementation more manageable and less risky. Step 1. Identify potential points of failure. An experienced project team is the best defense against risk. The more knowledge a team has, the better equipped it will be to find the potential failure points. In fact, well-qualified IT outsourcing firms often offer the highest levels of expertise and experience. Because they've done many ERP application management projects, they know where the common pitfalls will be. For example, cost estimates are a prime target for potential point of failure. Other areas include unqualified project managers and lack of clear objectives for the ERP application management project. Step 2. Assess the potential damage. Once the project team identifies the potential points of failure, it must assess the likely damage. What will happen to the ERP application management budget, schedule, or users' requirements? What will the impact be at a micro and macro level within the organization? How severe will the damage be and who will be affected? Step 3. Determine the probability of failure. The next step involves assessing the probability that the failure will actually occur. Experience is crucial at this stage of ERP application management projects. The project team needs in-depth expertise in the ERP application as well as the company's business. By working with an IT outsourcing company, businesses have an opportunity to get a level of ERP package expertise they may not have in-house. Plus, experience implementing the particular ERP package within a similarly sized company in the same industry. Step 4. Prioritize the risks. After identifying the potential risks and damages and determining the probability the failures will happen, the ERP application management team should prioritize the risks. In other words, the team can decide what risks they'll focus on eliminating first because of detrimental effect on the business. The project team should make executive management aware of these priority risks, and a monitoring plan should be in place for the project team to oversee all identified risks, even the less important ones. Step 5. Mitigate the risks. The ERP application management team will need to take the appropriate action to mitigate all risks. Although the priority risks will be dealt with first, the goal is to eliminate all risks as much as possible. Mitigation involves reducing the risk's probability or impact. The project team must address both risk, probability, and impact in the ERP application management plan. The plan should identify what actions need to be taken to reduce risk, as well as the steps required to recover should a failure occur. An example might be a test implementation of certain hardware before the go-live date. Because ERP application management involves so many variables, the risks increase significantly. However, with proven expertise and experience, a project team can navigate the rough waters through an implementation with minimal negative impact on the organization, its people, its suppliers, and its customers.